The word gene was defined in 1909 by Danish botanist Wilhelm Johansen as the fundamental physical and functional unit of heredity. The word was derived pan, pan, pangenesis used by Darwin 1868. The word pangenesis is made from the Greek word pan and genesis or genos origin. Classical genetics and evolutionary biological use the term